guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Frozen Honey Jelly thing. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to be playing that. I've never played this before. And I looked at the reviews. It was pretty good. So let's start. I'm going to put you up there. Okay. Frozen Honey Jelly. Let's play. Okay, I'm excited. Classic honey jelly. Okay. Flour. Food coloring, honey, candy, etc. Okay, let's start. This game seems exciting. I'm exciting to try it. Sugar. Let's put that in. There we go. Let's put food coloring in. So that we're gonna need candy, so I guess we'll put in this strawberry Kool-Aid. I mean, kiwi strawberry, I think, Kool-Aid. More. Oh, I have to put in all of it. I was wondering. Let's put in this corn syrup. It's a lot. Okay. Put in this. I don't know why we're putting this in. Potato. There's a lot. Why are we putting all this in? I think we're done. Okay. There you go. Let's put in powdered sugar. A lot of powdered sugar. Let's put in a lot of powdered sugar. Put in a lot of powdered sugar. It's just like a triangle floating there. Let's put in this. I don't know what this is. Is it like? Oh. Snake and meal replacement? Oh, shake and meal replacement? I don't know what this is. I have to put in more? Okay. I was like, I don't know. You're a little sauce. Oh, I've had this stuff before. It's good. I like it. Okay, let's stir it around. We must stir up this beautiful jelly. There we go. You are awesome. Thanks. I know. That is weird. I'm going to pause it till it's done. Okay. Okay. Thank God that's over. Okay, so I guess we get to decorate it. Oh, I like this one. I like that one. Ooh, thickness. I want this. I'm ready. Next. Do I have to? No. Don't make me. 5-star. Submit. Thanks. Frozen honey jelly. Okay. Okay. So I had to rate it. Hold on, home. Excuse me, Not now. I kind of want to try this one. I don't understand how this game works. I really don't. Okay. Guess we put in all this stuff that's needed. Put in the Kool-Aid. Says that we need Kool-Aid. Alright, let's put in bottle caps. I love this candy. So good. And that's a lot of bottle caps you got there. I think in the background that's water, like in that little kettle. Oh. What the heck? What kind of corn syrup is this? I need a lot of corn syrup. obviously. I was like, okay, that's enough. That's enough corn syrup. What do I do with sanding sugar? Oh, that's a lot of sugar there, girly Bob. What the heck? What is this? I'm afraid. I am afraid. What is this weird acid kind of liquid that we are putting into our jelly slime? Is what they call it. I don't know if it's really slime or not. Okay, there we go. I don't think it just gets smaller and smaller till you can't see it anymore. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, now that that beautiful ad is over, that's like the cutest label I've ever seen. I love this. I have to do it. Yes. What do I do now? Hold on. Wait till the ad is over. Okay, there we go. Now what? Just gonna like take me to the next one? Okay. Let's go silver sanding. I think that's like chocolate chips. Why are they triangles? I need more silver sanding. It's not enough. Whatever that is. That's like the whole bag, but you can clearly see that there's still some more. I'm not stupid. Goodness gracious. Goodness. Well, guys, I think that's where I actually know. This game is weird. Nerds are not shaped like that. That's more like what Skittles are shaped like. No, I know. I didn't mean to press that ad. I don't want an ad. Okay, let's do this, I think it's still corn syrup. Yeah, light corn syrup is what it says. To be honest, my grandma really hates me eating corn syrup. So, I've never really eaten things with corn syrup in it. I know that's hard to believe. Like Oreos. I've had Oreos, but off-brand Oreos that don't have corn syrup in them. Do Oreos have corn syrup? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Satisfying lemon squeeze. I don't know why I said it like that. Satisfying lemon squeeze. I keep doing that at the end. That satisfying lemon squeeze. Okay, I didn't really do it this time. Oh, so when you open a can of Sprite from now on, they come out like teardrops. Duh, logic. They don't come out like the whole thing like a waterfall. No. What are you talking about, Betty? Oh, I like how that turned out. I wonder if there's a candy wrapper to fit it. Okay, hold on. Gotta end it. Okay, that is over. These are cute little bottles. They're gemstones. Okay. You know we're gonna do this. I don't get what I do. Oh, I squeeze it out. I didn't know that you hold it. Peekaboo. Watch. This is gonna jump scare you. Did it? Oh, since I said it before, it probably didn't. So, okay, yeah, this is weird. I'm gonna try and make maybe just one more slime. Ad is over. Okay, let's I'll try and make one more slime. Sure, why not? Okay, so this one needs Fruit Loops, Starbursts, Hershey's strawberry syrup, whatever this stuff is, and then corn syrup, of course. I might actually try this because I have Starbursts and Fruit Loops. I can eat them when my mom is around, but not my grandma. Okay, yeah. I know. It's true and disappointing. There we go. Let's do the Hershey syrup next. So whenever my grandma's on work at Mondays and Tuesdays, that's when I get to eat sugar. Why does Hershey's strawberry syrup come out like little bingo dots? It's not what they are. They remind me of bingo dots. They're red and they're small, and you put them on your letters. That is not what Fruit Loops look like, but close. They're like mini stick hula hoops. Mini colorful stick hula hoops. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm so smart. That was such a fake laugh, I'm sorry. But on the wrapper, it had like purple, orange, yellow, pink, and all that's in it is pink Starbursts that don't even have a wrapper. They're unwrapped. Very unsanitary. Tell me if you've ever come across, tell me if you've ever came across a Starburst in a Starburst chews bag that doesn't have, that came unwrapped. Tell me if you have. I want to know. What is that? Whatever it is, it's satisfying and I like it. Oh my gosh. That's actually really satisfying. The makeup slime. I've always wanted to do that. Like, always. Okay, ad is over. So, guys, that was the last... Oh. Well, this is going to be the last slime I'm going to make. This is going to be the last slime I'm going to make for today. And so, I hope you guys liked this video. Bye!